Onyema, the owner of airpeace, faces fresh criminal charges related to a multi-million-dollar fraud scheme. At the same time, the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Georgia has issued an arrest warrant for Ejiroghene Eghagha, the Chief of Finance and Administration for airpeace, a Nigerian airline. The warrant, issued on October 8th, brands her a fugitive and mandates her custody before trial. You all should recall that in 2019, the U.S. Attorney's Office accused him of bank and wire fraud for raising letters of credit to buy the Boeing aircraft that he had already purchased. He established Springfield Aviation, hired an unqualified manager, and then submitted fake documents to U.S. banks to secure financing for the same aircraft. As Onyema's U.S. and Canadian accounts holding millions were frozen, Onyema and Eghagha allegedly created a fraudulent contract, backdating it to appear legitimate, and submitted it to the U.S. Attorney's Office in an effort to avoid forfeiture of their assets. This act of falsifying documents led to new charges of obstructing justice. Investigators found emails showing instructing an associate to sign the fake contract without dating it, revealing an attempt to mislead authorities. Since 2019, Onyema has been a fugitive, avoiding travel to the US and other allied countries for fear of arrest and extradition, despite owning an airline that operates internationally. So, for some of you who are not so conversant with Allen, he is Allen Ifechukwu Onyema, born in 1964, a Nigerian lawyer and the CEO of airpeace, one of Nigeria's leading airlines, which he founded in 2013. He was born in Benin City, Edo State, to parents Michael and Helen Onyema, and he is the eldest of 9 children from Mbosi in Anambra State. Onyema's passion for peace and harmony was evident even in his early years. He studied law at the University of Ibadan, where he graduated in 1987 and went on to attend the Nigerian Law School, earning his call to the bar in 1989. During his university days, Onyema led a peace mission to Zaria to quell a deadly religious and ethnic riot. That event sparked his lifelong commitment to promoting peace and led him to form a group called Eminent Friends, focused on fostering ethnic harmony across Nigeria. After completing his studies, Onyema expanded his peace-building efforts nationwide while simultaneously pursuing his legal career. His drive to make a positive impact on Nigeria extended into his business ventures. In 2013, he founded airpeace, which has grown into one of the country's largest airlines, offering both domestic and international flights. This entrepreneurial success has only added to his reputation as a figure dedicated to the betterment of Nigeria. Onyema's career combines social activism with business as he continues to champion peace and development. And now, fast forward to 2024, we are definitely hoping these allegations are false, and it's just the way his enemies are trying so hard to take him off the airline business. Thank you for tuning into today's video. See you in our next video.